Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and also an update on our $1 million challenge, so please stay tuned. In the previous video we did a stock update on ticker symbol ALPP, so please refer back to the previous video for that. There is news with regard to potential uplisting for the stock onto the Nasdaq, and that's looking quite likely now, so please refer back to the previous video for an update on that. Before we look at today's stock update, we're going to just have a quick recap of the $1 million challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment from $1,000 to $1 million over a period of 3 years using compound return investing. So the strategy we're using is looking to achieve 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. We do take into account losses, and it's not 201 consecutive trades. So within the challenge, we have a special spreadsheet with specially chosen stocks, many of them low risk. We also have a Discord community now well in excess of 300 working together in the challenge, helping and supporting each other by researching, carrying out due diligence, sharing buys, sharing technical analysis, chart analysis, etc. Within the Discord community, you'll see that we have a dedicated area with an agreement section, FAQs, an opportunity to ask questions and chat. We also have the stock spreadsheet available there. We have an area to share your buys, king alerts, queen alerts, and also a leaderboard update. So details in the description below for anybody who wants further details of the $1 million challenge. In today's video, we're going to do a stock update on ticker symbol MMAT. We're going to ask some questions with regard to a new ticker that has appeared for many investors, especially investors using Robinhood platform. The ticker that has arrived on there, you see on the screen, is MMTLP, Metamaterials, and this has also been identified as a preference share. So we're going to look at this. We're looking at the potential impact and what we need to do going forward. The next thing I'd like to share with you on the screen here is a message that has been received by many investors through Robinhood, and we can see on here the message is Metamaterials Incorporated Preferred Shares A, MMTLP, has been set to untradeable for the remainder of Thursday's trading session, as our third-party market makers are currently not accepting orders. So it is now untradeable. However, before, I am aware that it was tradable. And we can see a further message below here that Robinhood have also added, and they have also said, we expect to make this security tradable again at the start of tomorrow's trading session, October the 8th. We appreciate your patience in the meantime. So what that indicates to me is people will be able to buy and sell this preferred Series A share. However, as far as I'm concerned, if I am in receipt of these preferred Series A shares, my position will be not to sell these. Okay, on the screen here I'm going to look at in terms of information from Forbes.com with regard to trading preferred stocks. So we can have a look at the screen here, and we can see from Forbes.com we can see that preferred stocks can be traded on the secondary market just like common stock. However, just because it can be sold doesn't mean you'll receive the same amount you paid for it. While preferred stocks prices are more stable than common stock prices, they don't always match par values. So what does that mean? So my take on this is that this nominal figure that people have received through many platforms such as Robinhood is a nominal figure. It's not the official dividend. That's my take on it. I think the figure that people have quoted as receiving has been around about 0.10 cents. Then in terms of the initial trading, the value changed from 0.10 to 0.4, 0.6, 0.7. So as far as I'm concerned, this is a nominal amount. It's not the actual dividend. I think the actual dividend is still to come. This is still a preference share. So as far as I'm concerned, I believe the news could be imminent from the company. We need to wait. We need to see what George says. We need to wait for an official announcement from the company in terms of the dividend. So my take on this, that this is not the actual dividend. Okay, so let's have a look at further reasons why I believe this is not the dividend. So first of all, this is an arbitrary value. This is, as we can see, a nominal value for a preferred Series A share. The other thing I'd like to point out is that when dividends are given out to qualifying shareholders, they are usually in terms of cash payments. That's what we were promised. So this is not normal procedure in terms of giving out a dividend. So what is this ticker symbol MMTLP? MMTLP. So as far as I'm concerned, this ticker symbol MMTLP is basically confirmation that it is your right to receive the dividend. So you could say this is confirmation that you have an entitlement to receive the dividend. As far as the company is concerned, in terms of their announcement, they did say this will be before the end of December, so we're getting closer and closer, and I do expect an announcement on this very, very soon. And finally, one other thing that I'd like to add is not everybody has received these special preferred share dividend under ticker symbol MMTLP. So certainly this is not the case for Trading 212. I'm not sure about all the other platforms, but they certainly have appeared on Robinhood. So my personal take on this is, obviously we know that these are going to give you the right to receive the dividend. So in terms of tradability, they have been able to be traded. Robinhood have also confirmed that they can be traded from tomorrow. So my personal take on this is I would not personally trade them. I would certainly hold them, because these are certainly your official confirmation that you are entitled to the dividend. So just to finish off, at time of editing, no official announcement from the company, no official news. Everything is speculation. We have just had this figure appear, we could say, as by magic. So many people are kind of speculating and guessing in terms of what's going to happen. So as far as I'm concerned, let's hold, let's wait, let's see what George says. And I'm expecting, fingers crossed, that there will be good news as far as the dividend is concerned. When George spoke yesterday, he was very positive, he was very bullish, he was giving some very exciting predictions for the company in terms of the future. So again, there was a little bit of a feel-good factor. That we can see the stock price for MMAT is very healthy green today at time of editing. So good news expected. And again, just to finish off on the dividend, hopefully, fingers crossed, good news and an announcement very, very soon from the company. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.